Hey guys, welcome back. And do I have something special and amazing to show you? If I'm fashionably late though, it's because I was waiting a long time to get the Nothing Ear 1. And there it is! Look, it's nothing! It's bloody amazing! Oh my god, it's the best thing since sliced bread! Okay, look, I'm pulling your leg, right? There it is. Okay, this is nothing. I know, jokes aside, but I mean, come on. It's been hyped and hyped and hyped. I know, that's Carl's thing, right? It's the hype beast. Hype or get GTFO. Anyway, there they are. Let's look at them, see how they compare. I have no idea. If anything, the box is nice. It's actually, this is a very small package, so that's kind of good, you know, good environmental kudos. I mean, if you compare that to the OnePlus Buds Pro, I mean, it's half the size. I mean, look at that. It's like literally half the size. So how do they pack all the same stuff in here? I have no idea. It's gonna be magic or something. But, anyway, front of the box. All right, we got a nice shot of the Ear 1 itself. There's some kind of labels and warnings. It's like a pack of cigarettes. You know, it's like caution: headphones are bad for your health. Well, they're not, but I mean. These are from the UK, so there's the office. You can go down and visit Carl. You know, and maybe that's his phone number. I don't know. Maybe you know, should we give us a call and see who's there? Maybe Carl answers the phone. I don't know. All right, you got a pull tab to open. It's great. Anyway, let's just do it. So yeah, pull the open. Can't open it. Where is it? Yeah. It's like a dud firework or something. You know, it didn't do anything. Excitement. Go. Okay, there you go. We're still gonna open it because we need to do the where's the thingy? Yes. It has this tab thing. Like this is like on the OnePlus One, those kind of things. So now we need a ta-da! Ta-da! And it is a very silver box. Ah, cool. And there we have it. The Nothing. These are the Nothings. And we got a tab there. And they're actually in the case and everything. That's it. That's like so tiny though. I mean, there's no. Okay, there's some extra. That looks like some extra earbuds. And these are some extra earbuds. What's in here? No, this is okay. There's the buds, like your extra charge. So that's good. Yeah. And then this is this is a little guide. Okay, that's very tiny as well. Little start guide. The controls. Yep. No problem with that. This is safety information. I mean, there's more safety information than there is in actually instructions. I mean, how much safety? You know, don't eat your buds or something, or don't eat your ear ones. I don't know. Cable Type C. Yeah. And the cable. So that's really. I mean, it's got a nice. Oh, that's actually rubber. I thought that was braided, but it's kind of rubber braided inside. So, yeah. Oh well, it's cool. And yeah, these are pretty. That's just cool. I mean, it does. You know, I don't know. People have said already these things are pretty scratch magnets, and it does feel. I can just feel it in my fingers. I can feel it. It's gonna. That this plastic's scratchy plastic. But hey, that looks good. And there you go. There you have it. Ooh, the LED light and it's coloring. USB charge, button on the side, pairing. Case is kind of cool. Yeah, it's unique. It's different. There you go. These are so there you go. There you have it. The Ear ones. Thanks for watching.